Good morning. Ooh, it is chilly out this morning. So we hope we can stay warm. We hope we see deer. But yesterday was a rough day. We didn't see much at all. Saw the 4 does up on the mountain. We saw 6 does on our way out last night on the road in the dark. So yeah, it was pretty rough. But today is a new day and we are going hunting. So join us and let's make it a good day, because it's our last one of the rifle hunt.
He's so close I can't zoom out. Get him!
Hold him up, Joe.
Oh, just over him. Jason's trying some of Ryan's natural 3D camo.
Can you give him a thumbs up? Yeah, he bumps. Nice, let's go. Well, we're back in the same area we spent a lot of time during the archery hunt. And we're coming back in here looking for one buck. And if you watched any of those archery hunt videos during the elk hunt, we saw one buck 4 times in the same spot. And we're going to go see if we can find him again. Don't know if he'll be there now that he's turned hardhorn. I don't know. But he was a giant 2-point. And if you haven't seen him on some of the other videos, you got to go back and watch, because he is a big deer. And I'll put a link to one of those videos in the end card so that you can go back and watch that. But we're going to go see if we can find him, because he'll be awesome to kill. Oh, he's found a big track. Yeah, that's a good deer track right there. It was in the mud and the wet, but that's a good deer track. That's a good deer track. Well, hopefully we'll find some more deer out here today then. But that was probably, yeah, last weekend after the storm. But hopefully. Well, we've been glassing, we moved spots and glassing, and we've been glassing for about 2.5 hours, and we have seen 0 animals. Actually, I lie. We've seen 3 birds, but they're not an animal out here. This is really, really sad. And the Utah DWR needs to figure out what to do on this unit, because this unit is really bad right now. Anyways, this gun right here, that's my hunting rifle. It is a 270, Remington 700 270, and it was my grandfather's rifle, and I got it from my grandfather. And now I'm using it, and I've used it since I was 14. That's the first year I went hunting, and the first deer I took was with that gun right there. And so Jace has been wanting to shoot it. So since there's nothing going on, we're gonna let Jay shoot it. So what you gonna shoot at?
Stump.
A stump? All right. Make sure your target. Loading one in. Point it safe direction. It's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Take it off safety.
Yeah, get it?
I don't know. Did you hit it?
I don't know.
What you think?
That's a lot louder than I thought it was.
That was awesome. Jason and I were coming through this stand of pines back here, and we bumped some elk. Bulls. All total, we saw four bulls. Nothing big. Biggest was a raghorn 5, but we saw animals. That was awesome. What do you think, Jace? Was that cool?
Yeah.
Better than nothing, huh?
Yep.
Now if we can just find some deer with horns like that. Well, Jason and I have been hiking for a while. We finally saw some horns on those bulls. That was pretty awesome. Finally saw some animals. We decided we had to take a layer off. We got a little warm, so we stopped, take your jacket off, and we'll put that orange back on because we don't want to get shot. Well, we decided to make up some magma. If you guys don't know Ready Nutrients, they got some awesome products. This one's kind of a hydrate and recovery. This one is pink lemonade, and it comes in tiger's blood. And they have ballistic, which is an energy drink. Great when you're getting ready to go do a big workout or a big push on a mountain or something. Man, they got some great stuff. They got some protein called Tough. If you guys don't know Ready, this stuff is awesome. So go check it out. LiveReady.com. They're great. Good stuff. What do you think of that, Jace?
It's delicious.
Delicious. Yeah, most kids don't like energy drinks or recovery drinks, but that flavor is awesome, isn't it? That pink lemonade. Yeah, it's really good.
Get ready to roll the dice. Let's spin the wheel. At the Carbon County Chamber of Commerce Casino Night fundraiser event. Mark your calendars for Friday, November 8th, 2007 at the Tuscan Event Center. Come try your luck at
Told you I was bobbing.
Texas Homecoming Mall.
Hey guys, well, this is an end to our hunting season. We didn't harvest anything this year, and we had a successful season. It was great. We're able to get in the mountains a lot with the boys and the entire family. Jacob had a great opportunity to hit at his elk. Just didn't happen this year, but that's what hunting's all about. It doesn't happen every time you go out the door. So thanks so much for watching along clear to the end. We really appreciate it. Also, guys, if you like what we're doing, make sure to support the channel. Click the subscribe button and follow along. We're going to be doing a lot of product reviews and other type videos during the winter. That will push us through until shed season, which is coming up quick. and yeah, we'll do some product reviews for you. We've got some stuff in our backpack that are new that we're going to show you and tell you about, and we're going to be revamping our website and getting that done for you, and having a whole new, clean, fresh look to it. So make sure that you stay subscribed to us and follow along with the adventures going on through the rest of the winter, and hopefully we can pick up right where we left off come shed season. We've already got a couple of great trips planned to the Henry Mountains, to Nevada, to the ranch, and should be some great shed hunting action coming up this spring. So make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for all that you do for our channel, the comments, the likes. Man, it really means a lot that our content that we're producing is being liked by some people. So thank you so much. We really, really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.